Aloha guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm having a hot pot. It's a request from Levi Joseph. Levi Joseph mentioned I should do a hot pot. So I got all this together with my daughter and we're gonna start making it. Okay, so I bought this out and I thought to myself, in no time a fly, it takes one fly to come and it will bring the whole family. Look, see what I said, Sharon? It's already got two here already. It's like they can, they got radars. Anyway guys, this is the water. I already had it boiled, but I'm going to show you guys the sauce that I'm going to, the soup base that I'm going to put in it. It's this one, it's there. And you know what it is? It's pork bone hot pot. The hot pot. Pork bone. Anyway, it's starting to bubble up again, so I'll put this base in it. Yeah guys. Here we are. There's other things that I'll be putting in for the soup base. Like this one, guys. Tom yum base. Okay, so I'll be putting that into it as well. It's probably like really hot, so I better take care and don't put too much in it. But there's a lot of water in here, so I guess I'll put in one for starters. Don't put in two, it might be too hot. Yep, that'll do. Oh, Sharon Lee, can you bring a salt, please? I might need a salt. Yeah, just come through.
But that's why you have the soy sauce.
It's been right.
I can put more. I just didn't know if you liked it.
Anyway, yeah, you can go now. Hey, I don't know this kimchi. I'm gonna use this.
You're not using any of this?
I don't think so.
Wait, hold on. Let me get out of it.
Yeah, I'm gonna put another one because.
You're gonna make it too salty.
Yeah, I know, but it wasn't enough salt. So I'll put 2 of the tom yum in it. Okay, and then I've also got ginger. So they'll be going in. It's one of those and a little baby one. You know, the mama always got to take the child along, So that's bubbling nicely. Then I want to chuck in the spring onions. Yeah, let it do some bubbling up. And then I'm going to put in some coriander. What else? Yeah, I want to make all the flavour before I start. Oh yes. And I also want to put in the Maggi season. That's always a good choice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Anyway, see, I got no plate to eat with, Sharon Lee.
I thought you want to open the rice and eat it over the rice or no? You want a plate? You want a plate?
Yeah, please. No. Now, I'm going to start putting in like, oh yeah, I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you.
You want this?
No. See, this is my meats. I have seasoned pork. I have king crab wonton. And of course prawns. Sharon, can you turn the outside light on please? It looks sort of dark in here.
Are you sure you don't want this? It's easy for you to hold.
Yeah, I look ridiculous. Where's been the plate?
But the Korean ladies do it.
Do they? But there's a little hole, I'll get burnt.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, mate, tart.
Oh, that actually smells nice.
So I'm going to put some pork pieces in there. I've got the meat in there, the pork. And I'll put a couple of prawns in here as well. 1, 2, buckle my shoe, 3, and go 4, and then 4. Then I'm going to add some of these, some Chinese cabbage, some bean sprouts. Guys, this is fun. And some of these deep fried tofu. Mama sang meal tofu. Yeah, put some more pork in, guys. Then I'll add some of this wonton just to let it sit in the soup. Sit in the broth. And let it simmer. Everything's looking good. Look at that. So when everything cooks down, I'm going to eat. I'm going to be having it with, I bought some cooked rice because I didn't, cook any rice myself. It's the jasmine rice. This is cooking real good. I'm just outside at my daughter's place, and so I thought I'd have this hot pot that was requested. And this is mango mogu mogu, if I said it right. Cheers, guys. Really nice. Already said my thanks, guys, because that's what you have to do before you eat. Some tofu, some cabbage. I dip it on the sesame. Some tofu. It's really nice. Give me some of this wonton. Give me the other one as well. Oh, I'll just stick all this meat in here. Wait. The reason why I wanted to have this outside is because it's a beautiful day out here in Sydney today. So I thought, why not take it outside? But this broth is so good, guys. Try this wonton. It's a king crab wonton. Yang ada lah ya. This is a king crab wonton. Yeah, I went and got this all from the Asian market there in Mount Road. It's opposite the pools in Mountie County. It's the Golden Plaza. Got a king prawn here. Well, it's tiger prawn. The broth is mahangaya. I turn it right down so I can just simmer instead of overcooking. So good. This is so nice. You guys should get some of this stuff and cook some at home. Right there. The wonton. Let's go wonton. I better half it. Don't want to get burnt. Then you guys will start laughing. Just wonton. Wow. soup is beautiful, the food is delicious. Guys, this pot I bought from the Good Guy. It was $99, and it's 7 in 1. Like, you can put pasta in it, and you can deep fry chips, fish, and even do a boil up, and have a hot pot as well. So guys, look, why not get one, make it and share it with your family over dinner, over lunch, even breakfast. It's a good idea. So thank you, Levi, Joseph, for the idea. The only thing about eating it outside is that flies. The flies will come. Yeah, this flavour is tom yum base. It's so lovely. It's one of those soups like the soups that you can get at the Asian shops, restaurants. Pork. Wonton. Chinese cabbage. I like the Chinese cabbage, so I'll get more of it. Look at that. It's like kimchi. Still crunchy. This is my prescription glasses, and it turns into sunnies when there's a nice sun outside. Okay guys, so, and my mom, she's hanging out with my sister today. She's got her children up from Wagga Wagga, so they're all hanging out. So after this, I'm gonna go and pick up my mom and then bring her back home so we can hang out too. But for the meantime, guys, thanks for hanging out with me. This is a whole lot of soup. Guys, come. Oh, mai eva mai ma ice kako supu. Oh, well. Take care, guys. Take care. See you guys on my next channel, okay? So, if you guys got any requests, drop it down. Drop it down. But nothing hanky-panky, because I don't do that. Nah. Okay, guys. Yo, what? Okay, so that's what happened, guys. I came outside, and I didn't know that people were gonna come outside. I know. They must have heard. They must have smelt the food and thought, let's go outside and see what's cooking. Yeah. So I had to turn my volume down. Okay. Once again, Faso 4. Take care, guys. Always say thanks to the Lord that gives us all this blessing. I'm talking about clothes. Faso 4, guys. Ka kite. Kia manuia. Ia manuia. go vayaso, go waso, even the weekend, tomorrow, yay. Okay, fast forward.